Do you know what to do during an earthquake? This is a question many of us may have pondered at some point, and it's a crucial one to answer. Today we delve into the fascinating world of earthquakes, why they occur, and how best to prepare for them. An earthquake, quite simply, is the sudden shaking or trembling of the earth. This happens when the tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface shift and move, releasing colossal amounts of energy in the process. These seismic waves then travel through the Earth and cause what we know and feel as an earthquake. Understanding this phenomenon is the first step towards preparedness. Take note, especially if you reside in India. This vibrant country is located in a seismically active region, making it prone to earthquakes. The Himalayas and the northeastern states in particular are areas of higher risk. Recognizing if you're living in an earthquake-prone region is a key aspect of preparation. One of the most effective ways to reduce the damage caused by an earthquake is through preparedness. It starts with every household crafting an emergency plan. Teach every family member what to do when an earthquake strikes. Identify the safe spots in your home, your school, or your workplace. An emergency kit is a must-have. This should contain non-perishable food items, water, flashlights, batteries, a first aid kit, and important documents. Make sure these supplies are within easy reach in case of an earthquake. When an earthquake does occur, remember the mantra: drop, cover, and hold on. Drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy table or desk, and hold on until the shaking stops. This simple act can significantly reduce the risk of injuries from falling objects. In terms of infrastructure, buildings with earthquake-resistant features are more likely to withstand seismic events. It's vital for builders and architects to adhere to earthquake-resistant construction practices. Engaging with your community is also an essential part of earthquake preparedness. Join local initiatives, participate in drills and workshops, and contribute to the collective knowledge and safety of your community. Knowledge is indeed power when it comes to earthquake safety. Staying informed, being prepared, and protecting ourselves and our loved ones is the best course of action. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of earthquakes. If this video has been helpful to you, consider sharing it with others. Spreading awareness is a key step in ensuring that more people are prepared for earthquakes. Until next time, remember to subscribe to Tales of Turmeric for more informative videos. Stay safe.